Hello and welcome back to my channel. It has been way too long since I did my last video for the Shaper Origin, so I'm getting back on track with producing some content for the Shaper Origin community. Today I start with a little video about the Shaper Origin pry bar. For the ones of you who don't know, you can buy this pry bar on the Shaper Origin store, and it is meant to help you to remove the work pieces that you have glued, that you have attached with a double-sided tape to your workstation shelf. And so you can remove it that way. And it's made pretty well. Like it's really helpful. It works well without damaging your workpiece. A while back, a viewer and friend of mine sent me a link with an alternative pry bar that is much cheaper and that is very similar to the one from Shaper Origin. It's this one here, and it's called the Kinglake. I forget the name always. So Kinglake, and I ordered one to check it out, and really it looks suspiciously similar. So why don't we have a closer look? So these are the two pry bars, and as you can see, they have a very similar shape. The one from Kinglake is a little longer than the one from Shaper Origin. They have on both ends, here and here, they have those, I don't know how they call them, blades that help you to remove the workpiece. And what the Shaper Origin brings is these little rubber covers that you can put on, which the one from Kinglake doesn't have. Other than that, if you look at them both, they're pretty much the same. You have here a little hole where you can hang them up. And other than that, I can't see any differences that are worth mentioning. So no video without testing. I tried to test that, and it's like a little bit of a clunky test setup. I just took two identical pieces of wood. I took the same amount of double-sided tape, put it on the workbench from Shaper Origin, and then I used this pry bar to remove them. And I'm happy to report that both of them worked the same way. I couldn't tell any difference. The workpiece was removed easily. They are well made. They're both of high quality materials. Bernd asked myself, he's like, do you think they just worked with them and just asked them, just make us a bunch of those and put our brand on it and we sell it much more expensive? I don't know. I mean, the Shaper Origin prices are generally ridiculous. We all know that. So the one from Shaper Origin costs you $25. And this one costs you on Amazon $7. $7 in the US and €9 in Europe. So much cheaper. If you didn't buy that yet, this is an opportunity. I'll leave you a link in the description. You can click on it, buy it. And if you have it already, it's not the end of the world, $25. It's a really good pry bar, so enjoy it. That was it. That was my first video after a long break. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you around.